Trinamool Congress candidate from Pynthorumkhrah Constituency, Samborlang Diengdoh, on Tuesday resigned from the party, informing that he will be contesting the upcoming assembly polls as an independent candidate. Citing personal reasons for his decision, he said that he does not subscribe with the mudslinging politics of different political parties. He said that during his election campaign, he will not get involved in mudslinging against his opponents, even as he added that it will be purely on issues. Diengdoh also said that he will not want to overcommit to his constituents.
That I want to announce that from now on, I'll be contesting the upcoming election as an independent candidate and not as a TMC candidate anymore. The reason is that we just want to refrain ourselves from mudslinging politics, and we want to promote constructive politics, and we have full faith and confidence on ourselves from the past 3 years that we've worked since the lockdown. That's the only reason. There's nothing against the party nor against the party functionaries.